how to make and create YouTube outro on Canva PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional outro for your YouTube channel in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Canva. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design, click on video. Now it will take you to this page. Go here and scroll down until you find the YouTube video option. Click on see all. Now here you go, you will find some outros like this one and also this one right here. You can make it easy and fast, and you can edit the name of the channel, you can change those, everything can be changed. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.